Hello and welcome to this video on how to level up your English with smarter word choices. Today, we're going to look at common phrases we use in everyday conversations, like very hot and very tired, and how you can replace them with more expressive alternatives. We'll cover everything from explanations and sentence transformations to quizzes and short reading exercises. By the end, you'll feel more confident in your ability to use advanced vocabulary. Let's get started. Don't say very, boost your vocabulary with simple changes. Let's begin. Don't say very thin. Say gaunt. Gaunt. Instead of saying very thin, words like gaunt or emaciated more accurately describe someone who looks unhealthy due to extreme thinness. Synonyms. In this section, we will explore synonyms along with examples to better understand their contextual usage. Very thin, gaunt, emaciated, skeletal, scrawny, wasted. Gaunt. His gaunt face revealed how much weight he had lost during the long illness. Emaciated. The rescued dog looked emaciated, with its ribs clearly visible. Skeletal. After weeks without proper food, the man appeared almost skeletal. Scrawny. The kitten was too scrawny to survive on its own. Wasted. His muscles had become wasted after being bedridden for months. Sentence transformation examples. In this section, we will examine the original sentences and match them with their transformed versions. Audrey looked very thin after her long illness. His face appeared very thin and hollow. The cat was very thin after not eating for days. His muscles became very thin due to lack of activity. The famine left many children looking very thin. His face appeared skeletal and hollow. The famine left many children looking emaciated. Audrey looked gaunt after her long illness. The cat was scrawny after not eating for days. His muscles became wasted due to lack of activity. Let's test our knowledge with quizzes based on what we have already learnt. One. The young man looked so blank that his cheekbones were clearly visible. A. Gaunt. B. Muscular. C. Very thin. 2. The rescued horse appeared completely blank after months without proper food. A. Very thin. B. Emaciated. C. Healthy. 3. The child's arms were blank, barely filling the sleeves of his coat. A. Scrawny. B. Very thin. C. Powerful. Four. After weeks of illness, his body looked completely blank and fragile. A. Firm. B. Wasted. C. Very thin. 5. Which word best describes someone who has lost a dangerous amount of weight? A. Very thin. B. Skeletal. C. Robust. 6. The stray cat looked so blank that its ribs were clearly visible beneath its fur. A. Scrawny. B. Very thin. C. Pricey. Let's listen to a short reading text and focus on the words we have learnt. Michael hadn't seen his old friend Oliver in years, and when they finally met again, he was shocked by Oliver's gaunt appearance. His once round cheeks were now hollow, and his body looked emaciated, as if he hadn't eaten properly for months. His arms were so scrawny that his sleeves hung loosely around them. The illness had left him looking almost skeletal, a mere shadow of the strong, athletic man he used to be. Though his muscles had become wasted, his eyes still shone with determination, refusing to let his weak body define him. Even his voice had lost its strength, barely above a whisper. The doctor warned him that without proper care, his body would struggle to regain its strength. Michael knew he had to help his friend get better. Over the next few months, with the right diet and care, Oliver slowly regained his energy. The journey was long, but soon, the gaunt figure Michael had once seen was replaced by a much healthier man. Gaunt. Don't use very thin, use gaunt, to describe someone who looks extremely thin, often due to illness or malnutrition. Let's proceed with a new one. Don't say very fast. Say swift. Swift. Instead of very fast, words like swift or rapid better convey different speeds and contexts. For example, swift may describe an athlete's movements, while rapid is better for changes or developments. Synonyms. In this section, we will explore synonyms along with examples to better understand their contextual usage. Very fast. Swift. Rapid. Brisk. Speedy. Fleet. Swift. The deer made a swift escape into the forest. Rapid. The company's rapid growth surprised everyone. Brisk. Charlotte took a brisk walk to the station to catch the train. Speedy. Theodore needed a speedy recovery to return to the competition. Fleet. The fleet runner finished the race in record time. Sentence transformation examples. In this section, we will examine the original sentences and match them with their transformed versions. The rabbit was very fast as it ran across the field. The rescue team provided very fast assistance. Caroline took a very fast walk to work. The service was very fast and efficient. His reaction was very fast when he caught the ball. Caroline took a brisk walk to work. His reaction was fleet when he caught the ball. The rescue team provided rapid assistance. The rabbit was swift as it ran across the field. The service was speedy and efficient. Let's test our knowledge with quizzes based on what we have already learnt. One. The athlete made a blank move to dodge his opponent's attack. A. Swift. B. Very fast. C. Slow. 2. Martha walked at a blank pace to make it to the meeting on time. A. Very fast. B. Brisk. C. Lazy. 3. The company experienced blank growth in just a few months. A. Very fast. B. Sluggish. C. Rapid. Four. The delivery service was so blank that my package arrived earlier than expected. A. Speedy. B. Late. C. Very fast. 5. Which word is a synonym for very fast? A. Delayed. B. Hesitant. C. Speedy. 6. The deer was so blank that it darted through the forest before the hikers could take a second glance. A. Very fast. B. Fleet. C. Sluggish. Let's listen to a short reading text and focus on the words we have learnt. The race began, and Bella took off with a swift start, quickly overtaking her competitors. The crowd cheered as she made a brisk turn around the first corner, maintaining an impressive speed. Her rapid movements gave her an advantage, leaving her opponents struggling to keep up. As she neared the finish line, her fleet steps carried her forward effortlessly. In the end, her speedy finish secured her the gold medal, proving once again that her dedication had paid off. Even before the race, she had been training tirelessly to improve her endurance. The coach had always admired her ability to react with rapid decisions on the track. As the final seconds ticked down, she pushed herself even harder, feeling the wind rush past her face. When she finally crossed the finish line, she collapsed onto the grass, exhausted but victorious. Swift. Don't use very fast, use swift to describe something that moves quickly and smoothly. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, small changes in your word choices can make a big difference in how fluent and natural your English sounds. Practice using these new synonyms, try the quizzes, and don't forget to transform those basic sentences into more descriptive ones. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips and exercises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.